Alright guys, today we're using the TRV110 and we're gonna load up some tape. And I have today the Maxell. It shows 60 minutes of recording and 120 for the low quality. And I'm gonna tear it as always from this top corner right here. But we got it out. Basically white for this one. Looks interesting. It has some stickers here. Perfect. We're gonna put this aside. We're gonna take the camera. We're gonna turn it on. And I'm gonna eject it by pressing on this button. And I'm gonna put it in just like that. Push it back through. And we're good to go. I'm gonna give it a check. And it looks good. And it's ready to film. Peace.